Hi, DGDino here. Here's the issue I had. So I have here this ArrayEditor VariableType game object, and for now, so actually I wanted to get this UI button, but I tried object and then with some other stuff, but I couldn't find, or maybe it's not possible, but that didn't work well. So I made this error check, and now this works. So I actually don't need this anymore, but still I will show you the issue. So let me go here, then I'm gonna drop this in, and I will show you first here. Also I have um, this game object and also this object button, and let me create a new one also, game array and the game object. And let's look here, nothing to see. So let me make new one, and you can see the new one in the list. It's game object. Then when I set it to none and I check back, it's fine. But when I put a new one again, it's still there, but only the new one, not the other ones. So when I take a different action here that I got from the ecosystem and store game object, you can see the new one is there, but the other ones are not there. So somehow maybe it doesn't get updated or so, I don't know. And also this is a different action here, and also only showing the new one. So let me try object, save. These are errors from this action, I think, so it's not a very good action setup. Okay, scripting is done. UI button and object is none, and I can't even make one because you need a subselection. So yeah, and now I'm on Unity 2018 1.3 F1 and Playmaker 1.9.0 P2. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.